And would you like to show us around your shop?
Okay, thank you. I'm here, alright. Boxes, wood, how, here, how. Oh boy. Here.
Okay, so if I might explain this jig you got right here. Now, would you call this a sticking board? Or no?
Maybe, but hey, here.
So this piece is too small
Yes,
to actually use the plane on it.
Yes, I know.
So we're using this this jig right here
Yes, but now,
to ride the fence on.
now here,
And there's small nails or tacks protruding from that in order to hold it in place.
now here, now here, now here.
So this is a groove for the for the lid to ride in. Okay, so I need one of these now.
Yes, I know. Good.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's little toggle clamps, and as you push into them, they get tighter.
Yes.
Where do you get something like that? I don't believe I've seen anything like that before.
Long time.
Okay.
I understand. I know. Simple. Here.
Well, you know what? I've got saws and chisels, so make one.
Yes. Done. Okay.
Nice.
Nice. I understand. I know. Now here. Now here. Simple. Here. Done. Now here. Here.
And you have multiple planes set up for different tasks.
Done. I understand. I know.
So you just grab one, and that way you can do more or less.
Done.
Well, I wouldn't call it mass production, but
Yes. Now here. Here.
oh,
I understand.
that wouldn't be good for much.
Yes, I know. I understand now. Thinking all the time.
But we can make nice little boxes out of it.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I understand. I know.
Just splice.
Yeah. Simple. Done. Now, simple.
Yeah.
Sorry, yes.
With my saw, that handle actually broke off the fence.
Yeah. Yes, I know. Duh.
I replaced it with a thread and rod and a dowel.
Yes, I know, but I'm just saying. Later, here. Now.
So it's a structural epoxy adhesive.
Yes.
Okay.
Now. Here. Done. Simple.
Oh, so you're turning a handle
Yes.
on for your table saw to replace the that's the elevation, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Simple. I understand. I know. Done.
That's your shot.
Yes. Done.
Well, Dave, I do appreciate you inviting me to your shop.
Yes, I know.
It's great hanging out with you.
Yes, I know. I understand. I understand. Hot. Hot.
It is hot.
I understand. Sucks. Okay.
I can't stay more in my garage more than like 2 or 3 hours.
Yes, I know.
But I'm saving up. I'm gonna build an outbuilding in my backyard. With
Yeah?
with air conditioning.
Yes, I know. I know. Good. Thank you. Good.